In the vibrant and diverse landscape of Gujarat, India, an unprecedented phenomenon is transpiring. Lions, the iconic denizens of dense forests, are gradually migrating to the coastal beaches. This peculiar shift poses an intriguing subject of study for biologists as they strive to comprehend this unusual behavior. Historically, Asiatic lions have been closely associated with the Gir Forests, a renowned sanctuary preserving this endangered species. However, recent expansions of their habitat to coastal areas have caught researchers' attention, given the unrecorded nature of such a behavioral transition. The driving force behind this exodus raises significant questions. Why are these majestic creatures forsaking their traditional forest realms for the sunlit beaches? According to reports from The Guardian, the limited territorial availability within the Gir Forests has emerged as a pivotal factor. In their natural habitat, a single lion's territorial domain can extend over 100 kilometers, fostering space for family units comprising lionesses and cubs. Yet as cubs mature into adults, the burgeoning population density results in an insufficient territory, urging them to seek appropriate living spaces elsewhere. Prior to the 20th century, these lions faced near extinction due to excessive hunting and habitat degradation. Nevertheless, conservation efforts have bolstered their numbers, transforming Gujarat into the sole remaining haven for Asiatic lions. By 2020, population estimates indicated an impressive figure of 700 individuals, yet this upward trend has inadvertently led to overcrowding, prompting the lions to venture into previously uncharted territories, such as Gujarat's beaches. In 2010, sightings of approximately 20 lions graced these coastal regions. By 2020, this number had swelled to 104, marking these beaches as areas of notable significance for the felines. Confirming this, the forest authorities of Gujarat have acknowledged the beaches as a satellite habitat, a term denoting expansion beyond the principal population center. Nonetheless, the dietary preferences of these lions remain unchanged, as they continue to prey on terrestrial species like antelopes and wild boars, rather than resorting to marine life such as seals. Researchers remain vigilant, monitoring this behavior through GPS collars fitted on 10 lions between 2019 and 2021. The collected data aims to elucidate the precise beach zones they inhabit and the underlying causative factors for the geographical shift. Mohan Ram, a crucial contributor to this study, observed that these coastal lions are finding refuge in thorny vegetations like prosopis, typical of arid coastal expanses, marking a stark departure from their forest-dwelling counterparts. The researchers were initially surprised by this adaptability, given lions' typical aversion to such environments. Yet the constriction of space within Gir is compelling them to forge novel survival methodologies. Alongside thorny terrain, eastern coastal territories reveal lions exploring salt marshes and mangroves, showcasing their incredible resilience and adaptability to diverse ecosystems. Coastal lions are traversing significantly larger domains compared to those remaining within their forested habitats, possibly an adaptive strategy to secure essential living space amidst the competition and scarcity of Gir's wooded lands. Yet this coastward migration carries additional burdens. As they vacate Gir, lions incrementally approach human settlements, unraveling new complications. Despite the protective potential of beach habitats, these areas represent an ecological intersection, hosting other vulnerable species like sea turtles. Reports have surfaced since 2020 of lions attacking turtles along the coast, a pattern raising conservation concerns as their coastal integration solidifies. The alarming aspects of these migrations include tensions with local cattle herders due to predation on livestock, aggravating conflicts between human communities and the lions. Although financial compensations exist for affected herders, The frequency of these human-animal conflicts necessitates urgent intervention. Meena Venkataraman, a researcher from Carnivore Conservation and Research, foresees potential escalation in these challenges. Acknowledging the predicament, the Gujarat government announced strategic plans to establish new habitats for the lions, considering the Barda Wildlife Sanctuary, roughly 100 kilometers from Gir, as a prospective refuge to accommodate demographic growth. Furthermore, discussions to translocate lions into Madhya Pradesh are underway, albeit unfulfilled judicial directives from 2013 persist. As lion populations augment, the government faces the formidable task of safeguarding both the lions and local communities. Addressing the repercussions of their burgeoning numbers on the region requires multifaceted strategies and coordinated efforts. As these satellite habitats become integral to Gujarat, continued studies may provide insights into the ecological consequences of such behavioral evolutions and the interactions with local wildlife. The Asiatic lions saga symbolizes a conservation triumph, yet it underscores emerging challenges as the species adapts to a novel coastal phase, prompting ongoing scientific evaluation. Researchers anticipate observing behavioral shifts and innovative survival tactics as lions acclimate to these coastal terrains. This narrative serves as a poignant reminder of the adaptive strength ingrained within wildlife species and humanity's imperative to harmonize coexistence with nature. The lions of Gujarat epitomize resilience and adaptability, transcending obstacles and redefining ecological expectations, highlighting the necessity of safeguarding their ecosystems amidst advancing populations. Thus, the ongoing chronicle of Gujarat's lions continues to unfold, delivering further revelations and imperatives for conservation action, balance, and sustainability. The story underscores the indispensable collaboration between humankind and nature for the enduring prosperity of these regal creatures and their habitats.